So many of you wrote to us to understand about the scale 3, scale 4 salary structure in Central Bank of India for the ongoing recruitment project. Many of you are in higher package, higher cities in private banks and wondering whether it is wise to switch or not. As the online application dates are not yet over, we thought to give you a glimpse of salary structure, what you are going to get once selected. So you will be comfortable to take a decision whether to join or not in Central Bank of India. And money as the best motivator will work in your favor if you are preparing rigorously for this exam. So just to motivate you and just to give you a clear picture and bigger picture of the salary structure, we are here with the salary, net salary, gross salary, salary bifurcation, other allowances, benefits, everything, to make it crystal clear for you. But before that, in case you are new to the platform, don't hesitate to subscribe. India's only dedicated professional banking platform. The Manager Scale 3, Scale 4 crash course is on. Links are provided in description and in our website and application. Don't hesitate to join us. And you know that out of 100 selected students in professional banking and lateral entry exam, 85 of them belong to Knowledgist. So don't hesitate to join us. And if you still wonder about our content, our success story, search it in Google, search it in YouTube, and you will be amazed to see no platform other than ours have ever produced 5% of our result in this segment. So this is time for you to take a decision and to join the best. And remember, when you are preparing for higher positions like scale 3 and scale 4, don't join YouTubers, those who teach for PO and clerical exams. These are professional banking exams. Highly professional educators can only teach you. So your career, your choice, but take a decision wisely. Compare the content and the knowledge level of the faculty from whom you are taking the classes. Combo courses are on. These are our mentors. But here is the salary per scale 3 with HRA. If there are two types of salary you can get, either you get it with house rent allowance or leased accommodation. Leased accommodation is something, an accommodation which is in lease, and the lease rent or the lease amount is paid by the bank. So if you are in if you have not cleared JIB CIB, the salary structure is in the first row. You can see it. I will take it to the big screen just to make it easy for you. Okay. So 63,840 is the basic. With JIB CIB it will be 67,820. Special allowances is 10,000. DA 41% right now, and it increases in every 3 months. HRA we are calculating at higher side 9% plus 150% of the HRA. In case you don't get a leased accommodation you will get everywhere, so there is no need of HRA. In next slide I will tell you about the leased accommodation. And with all that you will be now getting 1,25,000 as gross. And apart from this, the only deduction will be your NPS and uh, your what you say, your income tax. So 1 lakh will be credited in hand, whereas 20,000 will be your saving in NPS. Okay. But you are getting other benefits like medical per year 10,300, LFC leave fare concession in 4 years to around 2 lakhs you will be getting. Petrol 5,000, other allowances 2-3,000. Some cotton and other allowances will be somewhere around 7,000 8,000 per year. Maybe it is there in central bank or not, I am not yet confirmed, but I will confirm it. Furniture allowance 2,25,000, it is given once in 7-8 years. And 5-day PL encashment per year 20,900 around. PLI, performance linked incentive maximum 15 days of your salary, so it comes around 62,000 per month. So total monthly with all these benefits will come around 1,45,000. And after 12th bipartite settlement, the settlement is on, you will be definitely getting a 10 to 15% hike in your salary. And apart from that, all the Saturdays will be off if everything goes right with IBA and union. So after bipartite settlement, by the time you join, maybe the bipartite settlement will be implemented. Otherwise, it is delayed. But we are expecting this year to be implemented earlier due to the upcoming general election. So it will be around 1,67,000 your gross salary. Okay. And here in the name of CTC, they don't deduct anything. Only income tax is being deducted. NPS is deducted 10%, 14% is contributed from bank side. So that entire NPS is a lump sum saving for you, right? With JIB, CIB, you are getting 1,76,000 in hand. But if you are getting a leased accommodation, lease accommodation vary. You can get a good house in state capitals. The amount of lease accommodation could go up to 30,000. In Bombay and Delhi, it could be 65,000 plus. So wherever you are, in whichever city you are, in a scale 3 and scale 4 position, you can get a lavish house free of cost. Okay. And then with that benefit, your gross salary could be around 1,93,000 and JIB, CIB holders around 2 lakh with that benefit of leased accommodation, because you are enjoying a house worth 30,000, 40,000. You must you must take it into consideration. Otherwise, if you are not getting it and staying in a location like Delhi, Mumbai, you would have paid 30, 40,000 from your pocket and your saving would have been zero in that condition. So you have to, and all these are for scale 3 and I have not yet jumped into scale 4. Okay. So, and the benefits are going to increase in every bipartite settlement, and the most attractive benefit which all the public sector bankers are hoping right now is all Saturday off by the IBA. Okay, and yes, now let's jump into scale 4 salary with HRA. Similarly, basic special allowances in scale 3, the special allowances is 16.4 percentage of the basic, but in scale 4, it is 19 percentage of the basic. DA is 41 percentage. By the time you join, it will be around 50 percentage. Now, currently, it is 41 percentage of the basic. Okay, we have considered leased accommodation here. Sorry, yes, it is with leased accommodation. Okay, it is with okay, with leased accommodation. I will show you leased accommodation, because in both the slides the leased accommodation is added. Without leased accommodation, it will be minus 20,000. With lease, because the HRA would have been 10,000, sorry, 12,000 to 14,000. Without JIB, it will be 12,000 your HRA, and they don't give you HRA at any place. Okay, they don't give you HRA at any place. Everywhere you can arrange a leased accommodation. Being a scale 3, scale 4 officer, you will be appointed in a urban center. So if you are appointed in a urban center, then definitely leased accommodations will be there. So with leased accommodation, all allowances, your gross salary will stand around 1,71,000. Okay. Apart from that, you will have only deduction from in the name of your income tax. NPS is your saving, because if you take it as in the terms of CTC for a private bank, they will also add it as your total CTC. So gross salary will stand around 1,71,000. Medical, LFC, petrol, mobile, all other allowances, furniture, 5 days PL encashment per year, PLI, 15 days salary per year. Total monthly will come around 1,92,000. And yes, this 12th bipartite settlement is on from 1st of November 2022. By the time you join, it will be implemented. So 10 to 15% is hike again. Last time 13 point or something percentage got hiked. So we expect at least 15% hike in your salary. Okay. So it will come around, the benefits will come around 2,21,000 for a no JIB person. And if you do JIB, you will have additional 2 increments of 2,220 each in scale 4. So it will come around 2,31,000 of your total benefit. And apart from all this, you remember in a private sector bank, your salary gets hiked based on your performance. But here, in every 3 months, your salary will be hiked as per the DA, and which is dependent on inflation numbers. Your DA will get increased. So in scale 3, in scale 4, in normal circumstances, in every 3 months, 2 to 3,000 salary hike will be there. And in every 1 year, there will be one increment, right? And one increment will give you additional 5,000 in scale 3, and 4000 something, 4500, sorry, 4500 in scale 3 and 5000 in scale 4, because 2200 will be hiked in your basic, and there will be effects in your DA special allowances, because everything is linked to your basic, right? Your NPS, everywhere you will get the hike. So this is the clear picture. And I say, if you are getting a selection in here in scale 2, and if you are getting 30 lakh CTC, 30 up to 30 lakh CTC, you can easily consider this job. Getting it? Because the stress level in private sector banks is way ahead than public sector banks. Okay, and the stress which is attached to job loss is very much there in private sector bank, and I don't need to brief you about the private sector bank work culture. I have witnessed everything, private sector to public sector, and I know what happens in both the sectors. Okay, so this is everything you are getting. This is That's all. I hope you get it motivates you to further prepare for this exam with full scale. Any doubt, any question, any query, you can ask us. We are the only platform to have dedicated classes every night for lateral entry aspirants, and end-to-end guidance with mock interviews with our panelists. If you want to take advantage of our expertise, our research, our focused content, and the content from where 95% questions are directly asked in such exams, then don't hesitate to join us. You are lucky enough to have our research handy with you through our application. So thanking you again for your love, support, and time.